statues here?
Yeah.
Jakarta. Jakarta, there's an airplane coming in. Yeah, we're waiting at the airport for about... which one? Is that airport? Yeah. Yeah, I've been waiting at the airport for about 3 or 4 hours. Actually, my friend Rodrigo was meant to be there, but he's probably came and gone out of different exits. There are about 4 different international departure exits. I stood at one for a long time watching everyone come out, couldn't see them, and then I couldn't find my mate Rodrigo, so I ended up walking around everywhere in a few bars. And I just thought, well, it's 5:45 now, so I'll get a taxi on my own into the hostel, and hopefully Rodrigo will do exactly the same thing, and then we'll meet at the hostel. I hope he's doing the same thing, and we'll actually meet there instead.